How to export contacts from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. This is your iPhone keypad. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts in the middle. You can find all your contacts over here. Here, go to Lists at the top left corner. You can view all your contact lists over here. Go over to any of your lists from here. Tap and hold the list and select Export. Now, tap on Done at the top right corner. You can now view all of the sharing options available over here. Choose the platform where you want to export the contacts to. Or you can also select Save to Files if you want to save them to your phone. Following these steps, you can easily export contacts from iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.